BARTEC is at the forefront of developing HMI innovations for X areas. We constantly strive to answer market trends and meet our client needs in order to close the gap in modern production infrastructure. BARTEC's constant innovation and development has now resulted in the most compact HMI device with touch functionality for X areas. Introducing the POLARIS 7-inch Smart HMI display. It will be available in two versions, capacitive and resistive touch, allowing us to deliver the ideal solution for critical processes. With a gap-free design aimed at cleanroom applications. The widescreen display makes the integration of existing visualization software and projects an efficient and easy-to-do task. The POLARIS 7-inch Smart HMI offers a full front and rear IP65 protection grade, ideal for harsh conditions. Due to its non-reflective design with optical bonding, the display offers a high contrast ratio which makes it readable even in direct sunlight. Its open infrastructure enables the use of Windows 7 and Windows 10 in order to easily integrate it into your IT environment, making it compatible with common industry applications such as Siemens WinCC, ProPhase, or our own BMS Graph Pro for cost-effective remote control and visualization of the process. Connectivity options include both USB XI and XE ports, as well as one Ethernet 100 port. In addition, BARTEC offers Bluetooth and Wi-Fi solutions for hazardous areas. The wiring spring terminal holder is a unique feature that keeps all wires safely in place while performing installation and maintenance tasks. The slim housing design makes it easy to install the POLARIS HMI into the narrowest and most complicated positions. Optimized cable entries also reduce space demand to an absolute minimum. 20 years of experience, development, and extensive customer feedback make the new 7-inch Smart HMI the best POLARIS ever.